Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make a raspberry banana smoothie. Real good and it's very healthy too. So, let's get started. Alright, so get your blender. Put in 1 cup of vanilla yogurt. Then add half a cup of milk. 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. 2 bananas cut up. And 1 cup of fresh or frozen raspberries. I'll put the water blender on high for about a minute until it's nice and smooth. Oh, so creamy. Yeah. I hope you guys tried my recipe for a raspberry banana smoothie, as you can see. Oh, so creamy and the color is just perfect. So, let's give it a taste. So refreshing. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Before I go, I want to let you know I won't be making a video next week because I have a trip to do to New York City coming up. So yeah, I want to get myself prepared for that incredible weekend in New York City with my parents. So I won't do a video next week. So please understand that. So make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time for a new recipe. Peace out.